How am I feeling today? This can be a simple question for your child to start exploring creative journaling. Perhaps they feel happy, but what does that really feel like? It could be sunshine and fresh air. Ask them why they're happy today. Let them take note of the details and write it all out. Happiness may not always be the case, but a journal, sketchbook, or even scrap paper can help them communicate it in a safe and healthy way. Rather than taking their anger out on other people, they get to take it out on the page. Check in with your child and ask how they feel about keeping a journal. If you like, you can add your own thoughts on the opposite page. Creative journaling can be a healing experience for all. For more info, check the link in bio.